guys! Welcome back to Sanievlogs. It's me, Sunny. So for today's video, guys, I want to share with you what's inside my makeup kit during go to the beach, ganon. So, ma-shock mo guys, kaya may rakay-soda ko pa guys. Tcharan! So, in this small makeup kit, I call this makeup kit because mga makeup suit guys. And I want to share with you what's inside my makeup pouch whenever I go to the beach or somewhere. Char. Lagi guys, promise ka nang mura na akong gida atong from my previous video. So kato sa akong self guys, ang mura to ko na da. So this is so I brought with me the Luxe Organix Soothing Rosewater Soothing Gel. This is what I currently use. Pure Black Aqua Sun Gel from Upview. Yes. It has SPF 50+, PA+++. Yes, it's a sunblock guys. So it's a must. Since it's summer, it's super init guys. Next is I brought two pangkilais. One Maybelline from Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pencil nila guys in the shade deep brown. This is super ano guys, I was supposedly to make a video from I have a new makeup collection from Maybelline. Yes, and basta guys, soon guys, I'll share it with you guys, basta. So ito yun, this is one of them, and it's so ano guys, waterproof, sweatproof. Yes guys, awa guys, gamay na lang guys. Yes, it is so pigmented and it's long wear. Long wear kayo siya guys. And the other one, of course, it's from Etude house. You've seen this from my previous videos. The drawing eyebrow pencil nila guys in the shade deep brown too. Deep brown also. So yes, from Etude house also, Eyeline in the shade brown. It's eyeliner. Yes, because I'm obsessed with eyeliners guys, pero hindi ako expert nun. So yan lang. Okay, moving on. Eyelash Curler, the Shuemura Eyelash Curler from YESSTYLE. I love this guys, I love this. VicexAnneclutz Super Mega Ultra Curl Mascara nila because it's waterproof. It's very lightweight and it's so easy to remove guys. Unlike other mascara products guys na pag nagre-remove ka, matatanggal yung pilik mata mo. So ito hindi. So easy to use. That's why I always bring this guys. And the last one is Peripera Ink Velvet in the shade Coralficial. Yes, matching type ng aking top ngayon guys. Yes, because it's foolproof guys. It's long lasting. Yes. And basta I love it. I love the bright color of this product. Diba? And lastly guys, I want to share this with you. Bago ko lang to nabili. And this is one of the latest products from Maybelline. The Cheek Heat. And I got the shade number 15 or Nude Burn. Ang laman ng aking makeup pouch guys whenever I go to the beach. Yes, para ano lang, travel light lang tayo guys. If hindi naman siya ano, basta mga summer must have ngayon guys, na if you're into makeup, I think ito yung mga must have mo sa iyong makeup pouch. Yes, I want to show you how I use these products. So maybe you have a hint na guys kung paano ko ito gagamitin. Yes, because you've seen this a lot of my videos. And let's start. So guys, for the cheeks guys, I want to show you how this one works. Because sa paggamit ko guys, talagang I pick the wrong shade. Hindi siya maklaro guys, promise guys. For those who have the same skin tone as mine. Ano siya guys. So wala lay guys. Not recommended for morenos like me. So wala ra gid guys, see? Maybe it's koan guys. Doesn't work without foundation. Instead, I'll use the Peripera Ink Velbet in the shade 05 or Coralficial. And you know, a little goes a long way from this product. So guys, this is the final look for today's video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe on my YouTube channel and my other social media accounts, and see you soon on my next vlog. Bye.